Hi everyone, welcome to this course. So in this session we will add a camera and we'll do random animation in the camera, and also we'll put the textures in this interior which I have made, and after that we'll just use the batch render process to render the same. So let's continue. Now what I will do, I will at first go to the Mental Ray tab, and in Mental Ray you have all the features like indirect lighting and all. So I will not use physical sun and sky right now, I will use it later words. So I will go to the common tab. So what I will do now, I will just select all the parts one by one and will start texturing it. Okay, so I will select all the parts, and right now I will right click, assign new material, and will use the Lambert and just make this front wall, front and side wall, and will change the color to around kind of velvet type of color. So we'll select this frame, we'll select this whole frame one by one. So I have selected, let's move. Everything is left, I think. Okay. So as you can see, we have selected all the things, and what I will do, right click, this is also selected, so we don't require to select that part. Right click, assign new material, we'll use the Lambert and just change the color to lighter kind. Okay, and okay, so change the color to now. As you can see, we change the color and we'll rename this wall frames. Okay, so we'll select this and delete it. That's the duplicate one. So right click, assign existing material. So as you can see, lots of material which has been assigned. So okay, right now what I will do, object O, just select all the files, go to edit, delete by type, history. Now it will erase of its history. So existing material. So okay, what I will do, just select this part, delete, and just make a new one. So we'll make this a new one. At first we'll just select this part, okay, we'll delete this part later words. So now what I will do, right click, assign new material, select the Lambert, we'll add that color. Okay, so right now I will just select this part and will delete the same. So what what else we have right now? We will just select this part. Okay, so we'll do the Control D, and now we'll move here and we'll press Control G. As you can see, we have just move it, and we'll go to channel box and we'll rotate the same to 180 and we'll move this to here. I will align it to somehow here. Okay, so make sure that you're saving your file. So we'll save the file, save scene as, go to patch under _001. Okay, so we have saved in ASCII, and now what else we have to do? We will just select the sofa, the complete set of sofa, and right click, assign new material. So I will put some blend, so because I need some amount of shyness, so we'll put the blend, and after that, putting the blend, will just change the color to darker red. As you can see, now it's forming quite well. We'll select this part and use the assign new material, blend, and just change the color to little bit of bluish, and also use the transparency. We'll select all the parts one by one. And now right click, assign new material, we'll use the blend and we'll change the color to kind of yellow. Okay, fine. Object mode. So we have two table lamps, we'll see later words. Okay, we don't require this part here. Delete this. Now we have this thing, and I think we don't need it. So right now I'm deleting the unnecessary parts. These two are the books. Check mode. Assign new material. Blend. We'll change the color to okay, like this, and we'll select this. Assign new material. And we'll use the Lambert. We'll change the color to brown, and also we'll change the color of this a little bit of different. And okay, fine. So these things like assign new material and Lambert, change this color to okay. Now here we have to work. Right now we'll go to assign new material and blend, and after that we'll increase the ambient color and incandescence. Okay, so we have increased the ambient color and incandescence. We'll save this file, select all the files one by one. At first I will just delete this part. Okay, so the rest is fine. Just select this part. Okay, Control G, Control D, move this somehow here, and now we'll change the color of the book. Assign new material, Lambert to red, done. Assign new material, Lambert, and we'll change this color to green. Okay, fine. So as you can see, we have set up the screen. Oh, we have forgotten this part, I think. So let us select one by one. We'll select this part, Control H. Select this part, Control H. Now I'm hiding the panels. Now we'll select this part. I think we have to select all of them. Right click, assign new material, blend, and we'll change the color to blue. Lose this part and little bit of transparent. Okay, so okay, so now what I will do, I will go to window, and in window we have the outliner. So in outliner we'll just delete this group because we don't require it. This group is fine, and we have just shift H, just select all them, shift H, and we'll go downward. All the things is fine. So now what I will do, I will just of this group will rename this INT, interior. Okay, so we'll save this file again, and now what happens, let's see. Let's have a test render. So we'll do a test render. As you can see, as we have increased the incandescence value of here, and it is glowing quite well, and also this part. So like this way you can have some more details, and if I increase the incandescence value and luminosity of both of them, it will just give lights very much. So as you can see, it's giving quite well. So it's working quite well. And now what else we needed, we will use some sort of lights. So we'll go to rendering tab, and here we have the point light. We'll create the point light, and we'll move this little bit upward and just move it somehow here. Okay, just press F and just see. Okay, quite well. And let's have a look. If I press 7, definitely can see. Control D again, will somehow here. Let's have a look. Yeah, fine. So I think we don't require to use the physical sun and sky as it will take so amount of time. So you can use it well. You have to just keep the render going on and yeah. So as you can see, it's working quite well. We have to apply the lights over here also, and we need some amount of main light also somehow here. Okay. So what else we have to do? Just select both of them and we'll press 6 or 5 even. We'll select both of them, Control D, we'll duplicate it the same and we'll move somehow here. Okay, and if I press 7, what we are getting, this complete set is getting lighted, and also what else we have here. So we will use another box instead of having this one. So we'll make another box. Okay, we'll select this box. We'll move it over here. Let's have a look. Make sure that your object will not float. Now we have to align it. We'll go to top. Let's have a look. Right click, select the vertex. We'll move, press B to end up the soft selection. Okay, let's move somehow here. Right click, go to object mode and go to this view. So go to object mode, we'll select this part, assign new material and Lambert, because this is basically a carpet and we don't require to use the blend. Okay, this would be fine. Now what else we needed? We need one more light. So I think we should use the area light. Here we have the area light and just drag the area light and move it upward, and we'll press 5 at first. We'll set the light here and also we'll just focus. So it's a very simple scene. Okay, so we'll go to shadow and here we have the depth map shadow. We'll increase the resolution and also we'll use the ray trace shadow. Let's see what happens. If I press 7, it's too much because the intensity is very high, so we'll use the cooler color as in contour to the warm color. So we'll use the little bit of cooler color. Now let's have a test render. At first we'll save the file and make a new version. Save scene as, just make a new version. So just rename this. We have already made _001. Okay, now we'll just have a test render. Here we found the intensity is very brighter, so we'll just decrease the intensity level. And okay, because here the light is going outside, that's why it's not spreading too much, as maximum light is going outside. But here we have a maximum intensity, so we'll off the intensity from here. So I think we will just decrease the intensity both of them, and also we'll just remove that area light for a while and just use the physical sun and sky for an examine purpose.